At sunrise, Japan awakens, and at 300 kilometers per hour, the future races across the land.
Hidden behind steel and glass lies a $200 million engineering marvel. Beyond these gates, precision becomes motion, and vision becomes reality.
This is where speed is born, inside one of the most advanced train factories on Earth.
Meet the N700S, Japan's next-generation bullet train.
Every curve begins as an idea, calculated down to the smallest millimeter. Only the strongest, lightest materials earn a place in this machine. Laser accuracy ensures perfection, because at high speed, there is no room for error. Behind every robot stands human expertise, discipline, and focus. Automation moves massive components with flawless timing. Robots fuse aluminum with surgical precision, stronger than ever before. Every seam is inspected, because smoothness means silence at 300 kilometers per hour. The iconic nose designed to cut air, noise, and resistance. Piece by piece, the body takes shape. Inside the shell lies a hidden world of structure and strength. Doors engineered for speed, safety, and reliability. Triple-layer windows, built to withstand pressure and sound. Massive sections move as if weightless. Multiple trains. Each at a different stage of perfection, where human intelligence meets robotic consistency. Stress tests push the limits before the train ever touches a rail. The moment the body stands complete, miles of wiring bring the train to life. The command center, where humans and technology connect. Comfort is crafted stitch by stitch.
A silent, elegant space designed for the future of travel. Advanced suspension keeps every journey smooth. These wheels carry speed, stability, and trust.
Sound-absorbing technology, because silence is luxury.
Thousands of sensors constantly protecting every passenger.
Artificial intelligence enhances precision and safety.
Perfect airflow, no matter the season. Light brings the interior to life. Every detail inspected. One last time.
Now, the train receives its iconic identity. Layer by layer. Flawless. White. Perfection.
The signature blue line, symbol of speed and legacy.
A name trusted by millions.
Final approval. Nothing escapes inspection, even standing still. The data tells a story of speed. The first taste of freedom on steel rails. Power builds instantly, silently.
At full
Designed
speed,
to enter
the world
tunnels
becomes
without
a blur.
shockwaves.
Smooth, silent, unshaken.
The N700S, completed, perfected, unstoppable.
Every curve shaped by science.
Speed meets tradition as Japan rushes forward.
Decades of innovation leading to one machine. From factory floor to the horizon, this is the future of rail. Join us as we revolutionize travel in Japan.
Experience the N700S, where speed and comfort converge.
The journey begins now. N700S, your ticket to the future.